Okay, now with that done, let's talk about adding a contact form to our project and how we can actually store user data. So here at the top, you can see that I have a contact page. I'll click into this here. And here you'll see that I actually have a contact form already built. The problem here is that it doesn't actually work. In the top right, I'll click into the Data tab. And you'll see that it says that my data dashboard will appear here once you ask Horizons to add features that require data collection. This is stuff like user accounts or contact forms. So I'll switch back over to my Preview tab. And I don't actually need Horizons to build out a contact form because it's already here. The only thing I need it to do is add functionality to make sure it actually works and stores the form submissions. So I'll ask for that exact change here on the left. I have a contact page with a contact form already built. It needs to be functional and able to store contact form submissions. So I'll go ahead and send this request here. And here you can see it says that it's going to enable the backend database so the contact form can store submissions. So we're already on the right track to get that functioning properly. So now it's going to take a moment for everything to update. All right, so now everything should be working properly. Here you can see that it breaks down how it works. The visitor fills out the contact form, the form validates and submits, the data is saved to the database, I'll receive an email notification with the details, and they'll receive a confirmation email. It also says that we can view all the submissions in the Data tab. So I'll go back to my contact page here, and I'll switch to my Data tab to make sure everything looks good. Here you can see that the feature is still in beta, so I'll click on Got It. And then it breaks down that we have two different tabs here in the top left. We have Test Data and Live Data. The Test Data tab allows us to safely test new changes and view data from the preview mode. And then Live Data is the data collected from your real published site. So I'll click on Got It. And then here I have a folder that says Contact Submissions. I'll click into this here. And as you can see, there's nothing here. So let's go ahead and test this out and make sure it's working. So I'll switch back over to Preview. Then I'll go ahead and fill out this contact form. Okay, and with the contact form filled out, I'll go down and click on Send a Message. And to make sure that's working properly, let's switch back over to the Data tab. Click into Contact Submissions. And you'll see that the contact submission appears right here. So everything appears to be working properly. This is a really helpful feature because Horizons isn't just building the front end of your project, it's also able to handle the back end. This built-in backend will be able to support things like storing user accounts, authentication, contact form submissions, and even automated emails if your project needs that later on.